Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and we're back on to the John Maddock Vitreous ware in the very recognisable Indian tree pattern, full colour version from the 1930s. This oval gravy boat, just over 8 inches in length. Nice condition inside. The glaze on this one's really bright. Just look at the outside glaze reflection. Full John Maddock Vitreous crown and orb marks on the base of the gravy boat. Right patterner on the base, as it should be, but just look at the gilt, absolutely mint as it came out of the factory. Really nice condition, you won't find a better one or cleaner. And this sits on this little 8¼ inch saucer plate. No saucer well for the gravy boat, so it does move a little on that, but it's what it was designed for and sold as a set, just to mop up any drips from the quite narrow spout on the gravy jug itself. Just plain John Maddock lion marks on the base of the little saucer plate, but pretty certain they're from the same date era, which is 1920s, 1930s, and both of them in really fine condition without any notes or warnings on them for buyers. We've only got one of the gravy boat. We have got 2 of the saucer plates, so one of those will be available separately as a replacement item. But this little set is going on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website this morning, and we'll pop a link in the description below, taking you through to the listing for all the measurements, details and prices. Thanks for watching.